I probably take her.
Taj Money.
This your boy Fasho Entrepreneur Man back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the app that I now use for my YouTube editing video or any video that I have in the future that I'm going to be editing. And I'm going to show you the app, and I'm going to be showing you what the app does. I'm going to be showing you that you can remove the watermark from your video for free without having to do a free 3-day trial and then pay later or any of that. Sorry for the voice break. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the app that I use. It's called it's called Prism Live Studio. You can get this on the Google Play Store or you can get this on the App Store for free. You don't have to pay a fee. You don't have to do a 3-day trial to use this app or anything. Sorry about that. Anyway, so what you want to do is, like I said, you go on the Google Play Store or you go on the App Store and you want to download Prism Live Studio. Once you download Prism Live Studio, what you want to do is, I'm already past this step, but I'm just going to let you know, walk through it. Okay, so what you want to do is, this is the app right here, this black app with like 3 triangles or whatever. So what you want to do is you want to click on it and see, I already bypassed the step, but once you get the app, it's going to have you either sign up with Facebook, create a new email, or you can sign up with through different apps or whatever. But for me personally, I just click sign up with email. I put my email in and stuff like that, and then eventually sorry for the voice break. But eventually, once you sign up or whatever, it's gonna take you to this screen. Right now, I got my finger covered over the camera because I don't want to be shown. But this is the camera; it will show your face or whatever. The first step is I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark from the video that you want to edit. All right. So you want to go you want to click on this little person in the corner. All right. All right. Then you want to click on that person again, and it's going to take you to this account, your settings, where it's going to say your username, your email, stuff like that. And then you're going to scroll down. Make sure your video resolution is at the highest quality. You don't want to add 360p, 480p, 720p. You want to have it at the highest quality that there is, which is 1080p. All right. But once you notice, once you're in settings, you scroll down. You don't even have to scroll down all the way to see it. You're gonna see conceal watermark. And if you read below, it says you can set whether or not to display the prism watermark in the video. You want to click this. You want to click you want to switch over. That is to remove the watermark from your videos. All right. So once you do that, I'm gonna make this video as quick as possible, like I always do with my other videos. I don't want to rush things, but I don't want to make it too long. Okay. So for that part, I'm showing you how, to remove the watermark. You can choose to keep it on. You can choose to not keep it on. But I was just showing you how to, turn it on and turn it off. Alright, so now that we've done that, I'm just going to give you an example of, what it would be like. Alright. So you can go live on this app. You could take photos or whatever, but right now I'm going to use one of my recent, or you can make short clips, but I'm going to use one of my recent videos that I use for my YouTube, okay? That was recently uploaded, which is this one right here. Make
This
sure I
your boy
go
Fasho
check
Entrepreneur
this out.
Man back with
Make sure I go check this out. It's the first video that's there on my channel. It's my recent one. So make sure y'all check that out. Like it, comment on it. Give me feedback. I can take constructive criticism. let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna add that, and I'm gonna edit it, because you can edit it. And I'm not gonna do too much to it, because I mean I already uploaded it. This is just me, showing you that how to edit it and stuff like that. So whatever you guys will do, like if you want, you can split it. You can split it in half. You can use this for TikTok. You can use this for anything. You can split it in half. I'm not really gonna do much to it, because I already done stuff to. I already uploaded this video. But for instance, say I want to split it in half. Whatever, bang, that's done. I split it in half, and say when I split it in half, I don't, I'm gonna play it,
This
check
your boy
over and
Fasho
see.
Entrepreneur.
I'm gonna play it and check over and see if this is how the way I want it, or if it's not the way I want it, right? That's how y'all, however y'all edit y'all videos. This is an example video, but this is also showing you how you can a free editing video. So, for instance, I'm just gonna use this. This is the most I'm gonna edit to it. I'm just showing you guys. You can do a lot more with this app, but I'm just showing you guys just some simple stuff you can do. Okay, I split it, and say boom, I like it like that, and I play the video.
This your boy Fasho Entrepreneur, man. Back with another video, man. This is a fire video at that, man. I advise you to stay and watch the whole.
And say you see where I split it at. Say I wanna, fade that out, or dissolve it, or make it go to the right, make it go to the left, or up or down. Say I want to say I just want to fade it. Let me take a look at it and see what it look like.
This your boy Fasho Entrepreneur, man. Back with another video, man. This is a fire video at that, man. I advise you to stay and watch the whole video.
See, just simple editing apps. It's a lot you can do to it, but I've already, this is already a video I use for my YouTube. This is already a video I edited and posted on YouTube. So, this isn't really for that. This is really just, to show you the app that I use now. So for the beginners, or for the people that wondering what apps can I use to that I can use without the watermark. Because most of these apps, you either have to do a 3-day trial to remove the watermark, or you have to pay or whatever. So I'm just giving you guys free game, giving you guys for the people that don't know, this app called Prism Life Studio, that you can remove the watermark for with any future videos. You can go back into on your YouTube video that you already got posted on YouTube, and you can redo the video and then remove the watermark, or for thumbnails you can do the same. I'm just giving you guys free game on that. But I want to make, like I said, I want to keep this video short, man. It's for Fasho Entrepreneur. Check my channel out. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if it's some future videos that you want me to do. Let me know if I could have did better on this video, what I did wrong or what I did good, or let me know. You guys are the ones supporting my channel, so I want you guys to give me feedback on it. Anyway, see you guys later.